Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. Want to do a video walk around a 16 Super Sport. This is year model 2019. Boat is equipped with a 90 horsepower Yamaha four-stroke. I'm out at the seller's location. I don't have a computer, not sure the exact hours offhand. Obviously, right buyer, we can get it plugged up to a computer and give you the exact hours off of it. You got the false teak on the boarding platforms either side of the boat, stainless steel boarding ladder here. Boat sitting on a galvanized trailer, single axle. Get a shot of the hull here. Blue hull color, looks like it's in good shape. Coming around, we have a 2-inch ball. Boat's equipped with a Bimini top, still has the boot on it for storage. This console does lift up, and you've got storage in there. Great for throwing dry box, cell phone, wallet, all that stuff when you get aboard the boat. The guy lives in, boat's kept in this lot, and there's some trees in it right now, but easy to clean up, easy to fix. A little paint missing on the skeg, but it's not rounded or anything like that, just kind of normal operation for our sandy area. See the rails over there, a couple fenders, your anchor lights under the console, controls, anchor locker forward, LED light on the bow. He's mounted 3 aftermarket rod holders. Large fuel tank. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Give us a call if you have any questions. 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Look forward to chatting with you about this 160 Boston Whaler Super Sport year model 2019 located in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. Have a great day. Thanks.